turn the camera on. I have been doing like some hand drawings of things. I don't know if I'd come back out here and start painting on it. At least start painting on the one behind me. But I'm not done, but there's what I got done tonight. So I'll come back tomorrow and do the tulip, and then the little gold or yellow piece under the heart, and then I'll use some black and I'll go around the edges. Maybe I have to find a small paintbrush to do that, just to kind of frame it in a little bit. That's it. I got lots more to do though. Anyway, so I'm going to sign off for tonight. I'm tired. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.